Hi there everybody. So in this video I have this Honda Jazz. This is a 2005. We just need to remove the radio and these controls here. So to do that we have to remove this panel here first, and there's a little Phillips that it's in there holding that panel. If you take that out, then you can get something like this and open that and bring it down. It's just plugged in. So it's just plugged in there, and once you get that out, I'm just gonna try and show you on the mirror here. There is two screws that we need to undo, but I'm gonna show you on the mirror. So that's one of them, and then there's another one on the other side. Then there's another one on this side, somewhere up there. Got myself one of these, so I'm gonna try to get that up there. If you just move this control to one side, if you move it to one side or the other, it will give you more room to access the little bolt. So basically, if that can be on the way, if you move it that way, you get better access to the bolt. And then so I've already cracked it open. Okay, so that's just falling in there. We'll have to retrieve it in a minute. These controls, you can just pull them out to take them out, and once we remove those two bolts, we should be able to. Okay, so once you got those two screws out, this is really hard to pull out. Actually, it's plugged in so hard that it feels like it's still screwed on. So I tried to get something on this end, something like this, and get this off. And then I went along here, because this side was really tight, to get it out. So it felt like the whole thing is breaking, but it doesn't. It's just that these metal clips here are quite tight in there. And there's also another one here. This one here, and then this one here. So the same on the other side. So they are quite hard to pull out.